What's going on, everybody? Flying Dutchman here. Today we stumbled on a classic old-timer festival. We don't know what it's all about, but just gonna have a look and let's see if there's anything interesting. See some cool cars already, so let's check it out. So let's just start off here with the old Mercedes Citroen. This is for the American viewers something different because it's all European market. NSU. And then me with my JDN mind thinking this is like those conversions that they make on a S15, but it probably isn't. Nonetheless, it's something different. Makes me think of Corolla de Ville. Look how cute, nice color. My dad used to have one of these, pretty similar at least. Very old Peugeot. Another one. The headlights in the grill, kind of like that. Old fire truck with his hose out. And then this. Back in the day, we used to laugh at them, at least we did, because me personally, I had no connection to Opels, but now I look at them, it's like they're kind of cool, especially because with all the new cars around, these starts to be more appealing. Old Monta, legendary car, kind of like these though. This something different, but I kind of like it. I know that this is a Mustang, but nice color though. Volvo, awesome. How are you getting out of here? 7 meters of car. It's just reparking? No. That's kind of cool though. But then Pontiac, what is this? Trans Am? Firebird? Whatever they call it. Yeah. Nice old school vibe. But then whoop-pow! 4x2 I love these. For all the Dutch people, I agree. This thing is just gnarly. I mean, don't get me wrong, of course, that is a much cooler car, but this just hits home. I love bricks. Yes. A little bit more low though. Then we have another Mustang. Looks more, a little bit more plain and stock basic classic compared to the other one in the blue color. But nonetheless, what is this? De Soto, the tag says, the badge. Never heard of this, but it looks like a bathtub. Then again, you and the boys cruising around. Awesome. Then wow, before I show the front. Can you imagine that this was legal to sit passenger in this? Imagine if you get into an accident. Those knobs there will be penetrating your forehead in case of something happens. At least you lived back in the day. It's leaving. Wait, there was an S2K earlier when it just walked up. Did that leave already? Not that really is a. Not that really is a old school classic, but hey, I love the S2000s. But let's continue on. An old Saab. It's been a while since I've seen these. And not on the road, but like I'm not that old. But like at car shows. And then this. Look how tiny. Look how cute. It's just. Americans have some cool cars, but you cannot say that the Europeans don't have some weird, crazy creations. This is a Fiat. At least that's what the badge is telling me, and the wheel caps. I don't know nothing about those. Spitfire. A little bit more common. Nonetheless, pretty fun car though. Sunny day. And the MG. I'm good at reading badges, right? An old little Fiat 500, is it right? And then one in yellow. Wait, you said that one is cool? But then there's a
one, but I don't know. Yeah, the yellow one is better. I like them all.
You're into yellow cars.
Yeah, I know.
And now that one prefer over the yellow? Let me know down in the comments which one would you prefer. Or the
Maybe
white
the
one.
lights make it better.
There's even a white one.
Lights.
Well, the color is so period correct. Another Citroen. And then we have something I think my dad would really appreciate. And I know he watches this video, so there you go, Dad. Three-wheeler. I don't know how these controls work, but it looks interesting. One wheel at the back. Now the badge is not helping me, so I have no idea what I'm looking at. It's very cute though. Red interior on the not a Corolla. Is this a wait? I'm ashamed. I was looking at so many European old cars that suddenly an old Corolla popped up and it doesn't even ring a bell for me. The Triumph. See, it's all European. Didn't expect a JDM car here, but nonetheless. Already said it was really cool before I know it was. And of course, the hippie van. Love the color combo. All tough. Fun fact, these go as fast forward as they go in reverse. And then we have an old school Mini with another old school Mini as a little trailer, which I think is really cool. Also can we just appreciate the livery and the color scheme of it? It just matches so well. Little racks in the windows. Very cool. And then there's also a lot of old stuff. Tractors. It's a Volvo though. I don't really have interest in these. It's kind of cool to see, but so I'm just wondering what they're sort of doing here. That's kind of cool. And I hope I don't get copyrighted because of the stupid music in the background, so I'm just gonna try to keep talking. And when I see something interesting, I'm gonna pick the camera up. It just keeps going, it's just rows and rows of tractors. And it looks like they're doing some sort of tractor pulling, but not like with the serious high horsepower tractors, but just with normal tractors. So let's see how that looks.
Steeds zwaarder of zo.
So there's a weight in the middle of the thing, and that moves forward, and as soon as it like goes all the way to the front where there are basically no wheels, then the whole construction is laying on the ground, so it's very hard to pull that forward. So it's getting harder and harder the further you get. So while that's sad, here's another one coming. What are we watching, really? Some sick power though, but that said, I'd rather go drifting. The rest is like a big market. There's more over there, there's a lot more. And some old school tiny houses, like gypsy wagons. I don't know how to call them. But me and the missus is just gonna go for a lap around, see what's out here, and if there's anything interesting, I'll pick the camera back up. So back in the car again. It was not like really a big car show, whatever, more of an old-timer festival. And well, for all the farmers here, there was some tractor pulling stuff going on, which if you have those big, like I don't know how many thousand horsepower tractor pulling trucks, yes, but it's a little bit more exciting to watch than this. And okay, if it's your thing, you love tractors, then but nothing about cars and drifting. Well, a little bit of cars, but that's all. So short video, a little bit different. Hope you like it. And next video, It's gonna be, for some reason I got invited to a drift day and I thought it was just a friendly competition. Turns out it's round 2 of the Dutch Drift League. So we're gonna be competing in a drift competition at the Midland circuit, same one I was last time. So it's the second time I'll be driving there, at least that layout. I did an inside layout once before, so then technically third time driving there. So look forward to next week's video, and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.